Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to consume chlorophyll liquid. Measure 1 serving with the dropper and dilute it in 8 to 12 ounces of water immediately after pouring. Sip slowly and note any digestive changes or staining on teeth. If you prefer, mix into a morning smoothie or iced tea for flavor. Keep daily intakes consistent and pause use if you experience persistent side effects. Then consult your healthcare provider. Choose a simple timing routine like morning with breakfast to build a habit and track effects. Start with half a serving for the first few days, then increase to the label dose if you feel fine. Taking it after a meal can help prevent mild stomach upset and reduce staining risks. Note any changes in urine or stool color and stop if you have allergic symptoms or persistent discomfort, then seek advice. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers make taking your chlorophyll-boosted smoothies or lunches simple and spill-free, perfect for busy mornings or gym bags. I love how they stack and seal, which saves cleanup time and keeps drinks fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mix chlorophyll liquid into cool beverages to preserve its active properties and enjoy a fresher taste. Try 8 to 12 ounces of water or a fruit smoothie to mask strong grassy notes and improve palatability. Avoid hot liquids, which may degrade the compound and reduce benefit. Use it in recipes like overnight oats or chilled dressings, but never cook with it. Keep opened bottles refrigerated and follow storage guidance on the label.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.